Have you ever wondered why old emotions, memories, or even dreams seem to loop endlessly in your mind, like a glitch in the system? What if I told you that trauma isn't just emotional residue? It's action you never got to take. It's energy, still waiting to move. The conscious mind and the unconscious are two halves of the self, like the moon and the sun. But the ego, the part of you built by culture, survival, and repetition, often stands between them. The ego buries unacceptable emotion deep in the psyche: pain, rage, grief, terror. That pain? That's energy. Energy that was meant to become action, art, expression, motion, even resistance. But instead, it's trapped, sublimated, held in. Just like if you ate and drank but never excreted, your body would poison itself. When you repress your emotions, your mind does the same. The systems around us, capitalism, social conditioning, spiritual guilt, are closed systems. They survive by keeping you from acting, by telling you to hold it in, to stay calm, to let it go, to suppress and perform. But you are not meant to be a closed circuit. You are a living, open system, a chaos current. Your psyche wants to flow like water, not stagnate like a dammed river. Every repressed emotion builds a static charge in your soul. The ego lives off this charge. It grows stronger every time you silence your truth. Integration is when the conscious mind meets the unconscious halfway, not to erase the trauma, but to listen to it. What action was denied? What message is inside this anger, this fear, this ache? When you feel into that tension and act creatively, through magic, art, dance, shouting, making, sharing, the current begins to move again. The trauma doesn't vanish. It becomes alchemical fuel. It becomes spell work. Expression is exorcism. Your emotions aren't flaws, they're signals. The neurochemistry behind emotions is how your body moves, takes action. Suppressing it hurts you and makes you weaker. Your pain isn't the weakness, it's truth waiting for action. Let your trauma speak. Let your energy move. You are not a static being. You are a storm, a poem, a flow. Let it begin again.